Well, you start a YouTube channel and you're looking for a cheap but effective way to increase the production value of your YouTube content. You've been watching video reviews and productions on budget accessories like $700 cameras. Well, today I'm going to show you a low-cost way to give your studio a little boost for less than $20. I'm Schmojo14 and this is my look at modular acoustic foam. So if you're like me, you've been researching all the best cameras, microphones, and other equipment the internet has to offer. And if you're also like me, you realize spending thousands of dollars on all those components isn't going to happen right out of the gate. Today we're going to take a look at a sub $20 upgrade for any bedroom, studio, garage, what have you. What we'll be installing is modular acoustic absorption panels, also known as sound pads. Now I ordered these tiles off of Amazon a few days ago and they just got here. With that I ordered 48 pack of command strips. I'm hoping to affix these to the back of the foam. Now I know they're going to stick to the wall. What I'm worried about is are they going to stick to the back of the foam? Another option is you could get pre-cut Velcro strips with adhesive on the back. I'm sure those would work just as well. You may already know this, but in case you don't, the purpose of a sound pad is to block and absorb any reverberations of sound off the walls, ceilings, and other options. It hits the face, it stops, and gets trapped inside. Normally a fully built studio would have these plastered throughout to keep echo and reverb down to an absolute minimum. But in your boy Schmojo's case here, we don't have that kind of money. So we're going to be focusing on that corner directly behind me. This should help out with any future voiceover recordings as well as just bringing the general reflectivity of the room down. And a side bonus for me is that it gives a plain looking wall an interesting texture and something for you guys to look at other than this mug. Alright, here's the pads. They come in a pack of 12. They cost less than 16 Canadian pesos. We're going to be using 4 command strips just like this, one on each corner. Got a pack of 48 command strips, less than $4 shipped to my door. Like I said, under $20 for this entire endeavor. So I'll put a link down in the description if you'd like to buy these parts specifically. So I'm going to take the command strip and apply one to all 4 corners. Now you're going to want to repeat this process 11 more times for the rest of the pads. We're going to go ahead and mount our first one up here. I went ahead and took the tabs off the back of the command strips. I went ahead and got myself a level, squared it up to the wall. Now we're going to start this pad a little bit lower. So once I got it where I want it, I'm going to press firmly on the spots with the tabs. And voila, just like that, she stays. So if you want, you can go through and use a level through the whole thing. I don't feel like holding it up the whole time, so I'm just going to base it all off of that one. So off of the first one here, I'm actually going to turn the next one 90 degrees. Not only does this look a little bit better, but it also blocks reverberations coming down as these get it from the sides. So we'll go ahead and get these mounted up and we'll get back to you. Okay, I'd have to say that's looking pretty nice. I can already tell from talking just in the room. I don't hear my voice bouncing back nearly as badly as I did before. We may put some more over here, a couple on top and to the side. We'll see how we're feeling about that. I'm hoping that you guys can hear some kind of difference between the beginning audio portion of this video and now. To me, I can definitely hear it, and I'm getting head nods behind the camera that it seems different to her as well. Wearing a microphone in any situation is going to help out, but these are going to help with a shotgun mic, boom mic, just general audio quality. There it is, ladies and gents, a $20 enhancement to bring up the audio quality of your videos. For me too, I got a little visual bump. Now if you're looking for another wallet-friendly upgrade, I've got a link to my $39 3-point lighting set that I got off of eBay. So guys, if you like what you saw, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, and if you didn't, you know what to do. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you'd like to check out any of the other work I've done, go ahead and check out my other videos. Got a couple up so far. Alright, and like always guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you again soon.